In today's video, we are going to show you how to split a PDF using iLovePDF. Whether you want to extract specific pages or divide a large PDF into multiple files, iLovePDF makes the process quick and easy. So let's begin by logging in using your credentials. Once you are on the homepage, you will notice that there are available tools for you to edit your PDF. You can merge, and of course, what we are going to choose is to split the PDF. You can also go to the top menu. You see there is the All PDF Tools, and the drop-down menu gives you the same option to split the PDF under the Organize PDF. If you click on it, what will happen is you need to select the PDF file, browse your computer, and choose the PDF you want to split. Or you can also drag and drop the file, wait for the document to finish uploading. Once uploaded, iLovePDF will prepare the file for editing. Now you have several splitting options. You can split by page range, extract specific pages, split every page into separate PDFs, create custom page groups, and select the option that best fits your needs. Choose how you'd like to split your PDF. And once you're happy, all I have to do is click the Split PDF at the bottom right corner. iLovePDF will process your document and create the new PDF files based on your selected settings. When the process is finished, click the Download Split PDFs and save the files into your device. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to split PDF files using iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.